In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive. If you want to send a file to someone quickly and control whether they can edit it or just view it, OneDrive makes that process very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and share your files with confidence. Start by opening OneDrive in your web browser and going to the home page. This is where you'll access your cloud storage and manage the files you want to share. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use more than one Microsoft account for work, school, or personal use. Next, look over to the left-hand panel and click My Files. This section shows the files and folders stored in your OneDrive, so it's the best place to find the item you want to send. If you have a lot of files saved, it may help to scan carefully so you select the correct one before sharing. When you find the file, move your mouse over it. As you hover, you should see a share icon appear. Click that share icon to open the sharing window. This is where you'll choose who gets access to the file and what they're allowed to do with it. In the sharing window, type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Be sure to enter the correct address so the file goes to the right person. If you're sharing something important, it's always a good idea to double check the email before sending. After that, click the permissions bar. This is an important step because it lets you control how the recipient can use the file. You can change the settings so people can either edit the file or view it only. If you want someone to collaborate with you, choose the option that allows editing. If you only want them to read or review the file without making changes, set it to view only. Take a second here to choose the permission level that matches your goal. This helps prevent unwanted changes and keeps your file sharing more organized. Once everything looks correct, click Send. OneDrive will then share the file with the person you entered using the permission settings you selected. And that's it. That's how to share files on OneDrive. As a quick final tip, always review the file name, recipient email, and permission setting before you send, so you can be sure the right person gets the right level of access.